This video is dedicated to my friends who want to know what autocross is all about. Now watch as I struggle to drop my ever-expanding derriere into this very small space. Also observe this microscopic steering wheel, only slightly larger than a go-kart steering wheel. And keep in mind while you're watching this that I don't have power steering, I don't have power brakes, there are no computers controlling any kind of traction or stability, and the pedals are so close together that my left foot and my right foot are literally standing on top of each other at some times. Prepare yourself for the violence that is autocrossing my Caterham Super 7 clone.
Time of 54.10 seconds, including 1 penalty.
It might have been only 52 seconds of seat time, but wow, I'm exhausted. But I've got a smile on my face because this is the first time I've autocrossed this car in like 9 years.
Hang on, I had to get a shot of that green.